This video is on how to share video clips with an instructor, a supervisor, or a coach. First, select one of the icons below, as you can see here, and click it, and it will show up in the play window at the very top. Once that's done, you can see the different things that we can share. So if I see these highlights that I have tagged that are important within that video, I can actually share any one of those highlights. If you click on the highlight, you'll see an ellipse on the right side. You can click on that and you can see all of the different things you can do, and we're going to share this one, and so I can click that, and then I just type the email address of that person, and if you've typed it before, it will show up in this list. So just click on that and then share that video, just as simple as that. And that is sharing segments, which we call plays, which are highlights within that video. Also, you can share the entire video. If you click on this share button, again, you can click on the email address, and I'm going to type the same email address, and I'm going to share it with my supervisor. Now what you can do is set this link to expire, and you may say, I want this link to be active only for 1 day, and I'll send that to my supervisor or coach for 1 day, and then after that day it will expire and no longer be accessible. And you can even attach a password, or what we call secret code, to that, and I just type a secret code into that, and we share that, and it will send an email to the instructor, coach, or supervisor that says this link is protected, it will expire a certain date, and it will send them the password to access that as well. So that's just sharing 2 items. This is really important because it allows you to get feedback on what you have recorded before your next session recording. The next way that we can show you how to share something is with a PlayCart. A PlayCart is an example that we have down here, is an example of several different play segments, or what we call plays, that we have put together in a sort of video PowerPoint kind of thing. And you can actually click on that then and display all the items that you have put into that play cart. A play cart is like Amazon.com shopping cart. You can go shopping for different play segments, put them in your cart, and then you can send that entire cart to your supervisor, coach, or instructor. So we can click on that share cart, and we can share that with our instructor. So let's go back to our private videos, and we'll show you one more thing about sharing. So let's again click on one of these items that we want to share, and we're going to share this video one more time, and we're going to share the entire video with someone. But what we're going to show you here is how to manage your contacts. So you can click on manage contacts, and this screen will come up, and I can create different labels or groups of people that I want to send this to. So in this case, I'm going to send it to my supervisor, and I'll add that group, and you can see I have the supervisor group down here, and in that other group we may say, let's send this to all of our students. If you were a supervisor, I want to see all my students, and you can save that group, and now I have student, supervisor, and a coach. So let's go to our contacts, and if we are entering a new contact, let's enter another contact here, and we can click the group we want to send it to, and this is a student, so we're going to send it to my students. So if you're an instructor or a coach, you can set a label up for your students, your athletes, and then send examples that you have on different things to all of your students all at one time without doing any more work. Now let's show you how that works. So I'll save that. We'll close this, and now we're going to share this with a group. So let's type our group. We're going to send it to our students, and you can see our student group here, and whoever is in that student group, if you have 20 or 30 people in that group and you share that now it will go out to everyone when I click that button. And you can also set it to expire, or you have a password protection so only those recipients will be allowed to view that link. And that's all there is to sharing.